Hi everyone, really sorry it's been so long since I've done an Ableton video, but this one I thought was really worth showing you because it's quite a cool little trick. First of all, apologies for this blue line here. I have no idea why my recording software is doing that, but it doesn't matter, so just ignore it. So I created this drum rack just using the standard drum rack, just with some drums in it, which is quite cool. And I thought it's taken me ages to work out what I want to do and set it all up. There must be a way of saving this so I don't have to do it every time. Yeah, I worked out how to do it. What you do is it's up to you where you save it, but I created a new folder here in my places and just call it saved racks. And literally all you do, it's dead simple, is click to highlight it, and you literally just click and drag it up into this area, and then let go, name it, and save it. And that's literally all it is. And it saves it there. It's really, really easy. The other little trick is if you've got more than one effect or thing in a chain here, like I've got utility just to boost the volume a bit here. If you group them first, so we're going to click this one and then we're going to hold shift. I'm on Windows here. Hold shift and click again to highlight them all, and then Control G for me on Windows, probably Command G on Mac, but work out what that is. Control G to group those together. You can then drag the whole group up into the box and save it, and that's how you save more than one. And then when you want to use one, we'll just stick another track in here. So we'll stick a track in, you open up the project, or we'll get rid of what's there first, delete that, and just literally just drag it in. We'll open up a new track here, MIDI track, and you open up your project and literally just drag it in. And there it drags in. The one I had saved before didn't have the utility, it was just the drum rack. But just drag it in, there we go. You can obviously set up any length of stuff you want in here, any number of effects or instruments or whatever, and just save them all. The only other thing I want to show you is I've got another here folder just as a test. If I try and drag this one, exactly the same thing, saved racks. If I try and drag it in, on my machine, hopefully you can see that, I get an error that says the folder drum rack project in C program files, common files, blah, 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 cannot be created. And that is because you've created your save location on the C drive, and the C drive on Windows 10 requires admin permission to save files. And even though when you create the folder, it says allow Ableton to save, actually in reality it doesn't allow it to. So you basically just can't have your saved racks folder on the C drive. You need to have it somewhere else. The exception to that is you can have it in the users folder. So C drive and users, and then your user, you can have it. And that is where my other one is saved. My main one is saved on C users. And then it's all good. So there we go. Just a quick one, how to save racks and drum racks for use another time. Hope that's been useful. Thank you guys. See you soon.